take care of me and my fragile heart. It's yours to keep, but it can break apart. I'll take care of you and all of your hopes. Hold them in my hands while we learn the ropes. Because my love is here to stay. Nothing could chase it away. And you are the keeper I'm needing to keep all my dreams. Keeper of my dreams. Climb up that hill. I'll catch you if you fall, but you never will. Because my love is here to stay. Nothing could chase it away. And you are the keeper I'm needing. You are the keeper I've been searching for. Weather the storms with me. I'll be your boat on the rocky seas. I'll keep the light in the dark. That's a lifetime guarantee. Keeper of my dreams. Because my love is here to stay. Because my love is here to stay. My love is here to stay. Nothing could chase it away. And you are the keeper I'm needing. You are the keeper I'm needing. Keeper of my dreams. Keeper of my dreams. Keeper of my dreams. Keeper of my
Good morning, friends. It's been a while since I've done a vlog for you, and today I am photographing a wedding, and so I thought I would show you how I manage keto when I have work and family and all of that. So this morning you saw me getting ready. The only thing I will have eaten when I head out to this wedding this morning, it is about 8 o'clock in the morning. I have had my magnesium supplement, my ritual vitamins, my Soleil water, and of course my soda. So this is my caffeine for getting going. I only got about 4 hours of sleep last night because I had to stay up editing vlogs really late into the night and I had to get up very early this morning. And so yeah, I am heading out without much sleep, so I'm hoping the bang will tide me over. Luckily, this particular wedding is kind of closest to my house, and I think I'll be able to come back and forth to get food, so I won't have to eat out, and that will be really nice. I'm not exactly sure, but I think so, and it's supposed to end really early, so I should be able to eat my last meal after I get home from the wedding. So yeah, anyway, heading out this morning to photograph a beautiful bride. Wish me luck, you guys.
Met you in the winter when I was a mystery. It was cold but I was full of fire. And you said you liked my wild eyes and strong mind. You were like sunshine. Oh, my midnight's a late youth and I belong to you. And we're soaking in the full moons. I fall for your laughter, you hold me together. Got me feeling like I'm brand new. And I keep telling myself don't waste it. Got a good thing, don't change it. I got a lot to lose now that I've got you. And I was wishing for the best, I have it. You and me got Hollywood magic.
All right, we finished up the getting ready. They look gorgeous. Their 1920s hairstyles and makeup is so amazing. I can't wait to see the reception. It's gonna be so gorgeous. They just headed over to the temple. So the way it works with people who get married in the church for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is that you can't really film or photograph the actual ceremony. It's kind of a sacred thing, and it's just family and close friends. And so what I do is I'm gonna run home really quick because they still have an hour and a half before the ceremony actually starts. And so I am going to run home really quick. I am going to dump these pictures that I took here into the computer to make room for more. And I am going to grab me my first meal of the day. And then I'm going to head over to the temple and wait for them outside for their coming out pictures. So they'll be coming out the doors, and then we do a lot of photography there at the temple. And that's the bulk of the photography of the day. Like all the formal portraits and everything will be done there. And then later on this evening, they are having a 1920s theme wedding reception. I'm super excited to see what they've put together. I saw some preview pictures from the people that were setting up down there, and they look so cool. So I'm really excited about it. Anyway, then head home, get me some food. What are you doing?
She's building a big tree.
You're still in your pajamas.
And it's only 10:09.
Okay everyone, it's Saturday. I'm photographing a wedding today, so I'm eating a little earlier. It's 10 a.m. and I am having 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, 44 grams of center cut bacon, and a Primal Thin bar. That's going to be my first meal of the day.
You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. You are the thrill of my life. Oh, I'm never gonna let you go.
Alrighty guys, well thanks for hanging out with me for a minute. It's time for me to go photograph them at the temple now.
Yeah, I see it all with my eyes closed. I'm never
Have some fun
gonna
while I'm gone.
let you go. You are the thrill of my
Hey buddy.
life. Oh,
Gosh, I came out here, I'm wearing a sweater. It is June 22nd, you guys, and it is freezing. It's like 60 something degrees. What is going on with summer, you guys? I feel like it's never gonna come. I am sitting out here in the full sun, freezing to death. It's so cold.
They say sometimes things gotta break for the sunlight to come in and illuminate all that you got. You made me feel at home and I saw through the eyes of a girl you cut everything in. They say things that go up must come down, but you got me over the ground, love taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me, I feel like we're the only ones, just you and me. As the world spins on, I don't need anything much, 'cause when I'm down you lift me up, just you believe that we got all we need right here. I'm holding you close, 'cause you made me feel at home in a place I didn't always feel safe. You held the light to come through. And they say things that go up must come down, but you got me over the ground, love, taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me, I feel like we're the only ones, just you and me, as the world spins on. I don't need anything much, 'cause when I'm down you lift me up. Just you and me, as the world spins. Things that go up must come down, but you got me over the ground, love, taking me higher than I've ever been. And when you're talking to me, I feel like we're the only ones. It's you and me, as the world spins on.
All right, that's a wrap for the temple. Gonna head home for a break. They said I don't need to go to luncheon, so I'm gonna see them later at about 4 o'clock.
Here's that place that you go again.
You mean the temple where I went to photograph the wedding?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a temple.
Where is it?
It's that way.
That way?
Other way.
That way?
Yeah. I'm gonna be home for a few hours and then
What's
I'm gonna go back and photograph them again. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. I just finished putting all of the pictures in my computer. As you can see, I'm starting to look exhausted. So I am having another dose of Soleil water, a double dose. And then I'm gonna try and see if I can get an hour-long nap before I have to get ready to go over to the reception. I hope I can fall asleep because I really need some sleep. Well, I never really got a nap. I got about 2 5-minute naps amidst all of the chaos that is my house of slamming doors and music and kids yelling. So didn't really get a nap. Drank another soda. Hopefully that'll get me through. I redid my hair, did it a little bit more like the girls in the wedding had theirs, and switched to a dress. My dress is definitely not 1920s style, but it's straight and I think it'll fit in okay. I won't draw too much attention, which is good. And the reception's very early. It's actually starting at 5, which is really nice. Should be done by 8 o'clock, and then I'll be able to go home and eat. So this is about as good as it gets for weddings. Other weddings, I definitely have struggled with my food and not being able to go home and everything. This one's been pretty easy that way. So hopefully it'll continue to go well, and we'll end this day with a happy and stress-free experience. I definitely have had my share of crazy, not so great experiences at weddings, which is why they give me extreme anxiety. I'm definitely fighting off my anxiety. So you saw that I ate another meal. That's because of my anxiety. Sometimes the only thing that helps is to eat some more food. And it'll also help keep me from wanting to look at the little treats and things that they have for their guests, which is always good when you are trying to stay keto. It's best to eat more keto food than risk eating off plan because you didn't plan well. So I should be there in just a couple minutes, and it's just down the road from my house, which is really, really nice. And we'll see you guys down there. The wedding's here at Camp Williams, and you can see all the military vehicles that are parked outside. It's kind of cool. Wowzers. It's quite a view. was falling over, so they had to take it apart. The top is gone. That's awesome. It might stay without falling now. That's a wrap for the wedding day. I'm gonna be heading home now. As you can see, the sun is still shining. They were good to their word. They got out right when they said they would, which was really impressive because I've been to a lot of weddings and photographed a lot of weddings, and they don't always follow their plans really well. But it was amazing. Their wedding was beautiful. Everything was perfect. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Heading home now to eat dinner and spend some time with the family. Yeah, it's been a really great day, and I'm glad you guys hung out with me. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, everyone, it's Saturday night, and I just got back from that wedding, and I am eating wings. Dave got me a 9-piece chicken wings with sauce on the side, and a salad with ranch dressing, and that's going to be my last meal of the day.